Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a little tiny bit of leftovers and a lot of incentive after making something pretty cool a minute ago to go ahead and give myself permission, all kinds of permission, to just be riotous, just completely riotous. And that might have to start with some neon pink if I shake it up. And I really just want it to come out of its nozzle. So let's hope that does that in a second. And I'm so sorry for starting without that. My other colors were all ready to go. So I love you guys. There's over 90,000 of you and I'm just trying to move. Alright, so there's my neon pink. There's the orange I want to use. Here is the yellow that goes with it, and that yellow also. I think I'm going to give myself a little bit of white metallic from Anita's, some of the blue. It's Venetian blue from Modern Masters. I'm going to give myself a little bit more dioxazine purple. 24 karat gold from Deco Art Americana. And I'll see what I want after I start. I'm going to use an OXO omelet turning spatula. Oh, I've got a totally wet edge catcher that needs to go away. When they have the pretty enough paint on them, I usually like to do something interesting with them. So I'm not too worried about covering that all right now. I do want to use up all of my paint. I'm going to grab my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula to do that. Just put it all down and put it in the bucket. So, what do I see I don't have? I see that I want a combination of some of my mysterious. Where's my other turquoise? It's right here somewhere. I know it is. I'm looking at it. I have to be looking at it. There's just no... Okay, well, maybe more mysterious? That's just so disconcerting when I'm looking right at something. There it is. I keep putting things behind my torch over there. That's just not cool. So I think what I'm going to do, because I want to keep a lot of that, is cheat by putting a nice ring of paint all the way around the edge. And I will let whatever's in there relax off into my paint pan. As I see fit. I'm loving having my Deco Art Americana gold back again, I have to tell you what. Yep, I'm just going to let it relax right off. I seldom pour paint away, but every once in a while I have to allow myself to be like everybody else for a minute. I expect that this will probably be quick if I like it. I do use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures, which means that if I got to a point right now that I really loved what I had and I wanted to keep it, it wouldn't be a problem. I wouldn't get cracking. I had a little cracking for a minute. I think there was a bad batch, but I'm not going to let that keep me from enjoying my GAC 800, which I already purchased and I might as well use anyway. So I'm going to put some paint right in there. And grab a Princeton, that was funny, grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. And I have paint over here that I'm going to save for tomorrow. Just going to let that go right down over my edge. I think it might even be fast enough. Let's see if I'm covered. I am covered. Not on this side though. It's funny, you know, you put this background paint on and then it dries and it looks just like you didn't do anything to it, but you know it's there. So that's pretty cool and I like it a lot. Do I want to do anything to it? Maybe not. Do I have a straw and a will to try? Maybe. The difference between pulling tendrils with a skewer and blowing them out is that you get much nicer cells. I did this a whole lot my first year, and I just kind of like the effect that you get with a straw. If you practice, you can actually make spirals with a straw. And if I recall, that's schmutzy as heck. We'll imagine it's part of a new species. We'll call it new species. I've been trying to convince myself to do some animals for days. Anyway, so this is Priscilla Batzell at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, saying I have 90,000 plus subscribers, and I want to welcome you, any of you who haven't been welcomed before. I just want a little Decorated Americana 24 karat gold in here, because I think it will be nice. It's what my muse said. Do that because I think it will be nice. And even after I thought I wasn't going to use my skewer, I still did it anyway. So that's pretty cool. I like all of that. I'm going to pull some that way and some, oops. Well, happy accident, I guess. Pick up that white. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm going to look one more time before I go on. And give myself a little bit of my purple flash. That's a color shifting paint from Folk Art that I can never get enough of. And I'm loving that now. Why do I want to put turquoise in this corner? I don't know, but I think it's probably important that I just do whatever I want. It's the end of my day. Yes, I like that. What do I want? I want to put some of that turquoise on my skewer. I don't even know if it'll stay. Probably not. I do want to break up that purple a little bit. I guess I wasn't done. Those of you who watch me regularly know how that works. It's nice if I get the schmutz off my skewer before I try and use it. And sometimes having schmutz on your skewer is a really good thing. That looks too much like teeth. So that means I'm going to add some spirals so it doesn't look like teeth anymore. I destroyed some of my cute little cells. Oh well. Alright, so I love you guys. Please watch the videos longer. Please share the videos. Oh, I forgot about that. Please please check out my playlist. There's over 1,500 videos there. All organized for you so you can find what you're looking for. There's 15 lists of 100. Eventually there will be 16 lists of 100. and they're all separated by genre and topic. I hope I didn't go too far with this, but it'll have some redeeming qualities, I'm sure. I totally spiraled it out, and that's okay. Give myself permission to do that. Did I ever torch? I'm not sure I did. Anyway, kind of want to put some gold right in there. I love you guys. I hope you come again. Check out my my Linktree link underneath the video. It has my Amazon link where if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out, and I appreciate it very much when you do that. So thank you to all of you who do. What can I say? When my muse talks, I try and listen. I completely lost my train of thought, and I'm so sorry about that. And I don't know why I did that, but I just had to. I think it's going to become a spiral. Because this piece is all about permission. There we go. That was permission. So I'm afraid to put this down, but I should read my list. Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links are under the link tree. My Teespring clothing is under the video, and it's all over print leggings and t-shirts. If you want to help me and do some Christmas shopping, there's a shop now button on my Facebook page, Expressionist Art Studio Fans, Totes and More. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes and More, excuse me, Fans and Collectors has the albums where I've put the edited artworks from YouTube videos so far. My community board will have tomorrow's video. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students and will have tomorrow's video posted. My Amazon link, yes, is right near my books. My books are on my Amazon link. Yes, I'm confused. Volume 1 and Volume 2. Volume 1 is Because I Can. Volume 2 is Unlimited Possibilities. I want to thank you, every single one of you, for being here. I really appreciate you. If you want to be of assistance financially to help me continue making videos, then look for the PayPal or Patreon link on my YouTube channel header down at the bottom right hand corner of the banner, or look for it on my link tree. And if you do happen to be a contributor to help keep the studio going, then you will automatically be entered into the monthly drawing for however many paintings are offered on the exhibition video that is placed on the end screens of every video. And it will show you not just what the recent exhibition of dry artworks looks like, but it will also show you, I hope I'm not, yeah, I'm going a little crazy. It will show you that month's prizes. Yes, I'm too interested in what I'm doing and not interested enough in doing the job that goes along with it. So I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I love you much. I will see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And I'm going to touch that little thing up, and then I'm going to see if you guys are still here. And I'm going to zoom in if I can, because these cells are pretty cool. That's kind of a neat piece, honestly. Giving yourself permission is a good thing. That is too bad that is as close as I can zoom in. But I can try and focus. It's got an eye. Whatever it is, it's got a blue eye. I see it now. This is its body, and it's curled around, and it's got funky purple hair, and that's its eye. That's so cool. You're going to have to turn your tablet upside down. Wait. Sorry, I hope I didn't make you seasick. Check that out. I got a critter after all. Right there. There's his eye, there's his hair, there's his body. He's just a lump. Like, not quite a rabbit. You guys take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I said that already. I love you much. I said that too. I will see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.